I feel great. Hard work pay off. You have the voters. Some of the area, like the Highland area and the Belvedere, we go back the second time to make sure that their answers and their concern is heard. And that that they see that I really want to work hard, want to serve the city, and they give me a chance here. I appreciate it very much.
Yeah. Now, do you think the Cambodian Asian community really got out there strong for you?
They've done a fantastic job. They've done a fantastic job. Everyone, the volunteers, the elders, and the youngsters, they came out in number. Then you can see the result in the Highland speak for itself. As far as the people doubt whether or not the Asian people is going to come out. My victory is also I count on the Asian coming out, as well as the opportunity that the mainstream, the Belvedere and the Highland gave me, and they did. They gave me a chance, and I won't let them down.
Great. And any big issues you plan to bring up?
Well, a couple of issues that we hope to work with other council, proactively address the issues of crime and safety in our city, having after-school program that I have proposed earlier at the Morris School and the Staclosa. Also to help promote small businesses, maybe linking the Middlesex Street, going over the Overlaw Pass to the Hampton Canal projects, where there need to be some Asian there, maybe eventually going down to downtown area, because you haven't seen a lot of the small business, particularly with the Asian community. We tend to stay in one area, which is the Middlesex area, the Palin Plaza, and or the Couple Square area on Westford Street. We need to move over there to be included, to be engaged in the whole community, and that's important. Also plans to increase training, outreach and job recruitment for all residents, in hope to promote diversity in our city. So those are some of the agenda that I hope to bring about, and I know that the city has also started already, the Cambodian town, and I will make sure that work with our council to make sure that happens. Yes.
Yeah, and I mean, how do you feel, as I said, being the second Cambodian councilor, do you really want to, are there certain issues important to Cambodians more so than others?
The issue is not Cambodian issue, it's the whole city issue, and that we need to collectively working together to address it. That's the only way you can get things done. It's not Cambodian issue, it's not the white issue, it's not the black issue, it's not Hispanic issue. It's our issue as a resident of Cedar Blow. So we can't be differentiated as Cambodian or as other issues. It's our issue.
Yeah, but overall, just to sum up your emotions.
Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm telling you, I'm so grateful to all the voters from all the city, that give me the opportunity to serve. I appreciate it very much.